Paano nga ba mag-unsubscribe sa Meta Verified? Then go to your settings. Pagdating dyan sa inyong settings, guys, ito makikita po ninyo, Meta Account Center. I-click nyo po yan, see more in account center. Yan, see more in account center. Pagdating dyan, scroll down. So makikita nyo po dyan sa baba yung Meta Verified. I-click nyo po yan. Ayan, pa-click nyo po, mabasa po niyang benefits. Then, manage subscription. So, nandiyan yung manage subscription. So, nakalagay dyan sa ibaba, i-unsubscribe po ninyo. So, sabi nakalagay po dyan, we're sorry to say you go when you unsubscribe. You will lose access to verified badge, increase account protection, direct customer support, and inclusive extras once your billing period ends. So, you can resubscribe at anytime. So, nakalagay po dyan, anytime na, pwede may resubscribe.